Many years ago, we decided for the first time ever to spend Christmas abroad. At the time, I was having problems with my front teeth, top 4, bottom 4. So George had seen an article in what was the Daily Mirror. I think they still have this article on the wall somewhere. So we arrived just on spec and spoke to Chartai and said, would it be possible in the 2-week period we had?
I went to the dentist in Scotland and said, I have toothache. And the dentist looked and told me, no, it's shrinking gums. And I was here for 4 weeks, still with terrible toothache. And we phoned Chartai. And when he did the x-ray, he said, I will need to remove the nerve in one tooth and extract the tooth next to it because it had an abscess at the root. So my dentist didn't find that.
And I only came the first time because I had a crown and it came loose. It was an easy procedure, but I was still worried that I might catch some infection in there. They might not have the right technique.
I had a consultation with Tonush. In that 2-week holiday, we went ahead and done my upper bridge or veneers.
The first impression, the overall impression that hit me when I came into the surgery was cleanliness. How clean, how hygienic. The standards were superb. Something I didn't expect.
And something I want to add with the receptionist, because I've been using WhatsApp. The communication that I had with Meltem on reception via WhatsApp was absolutely exceptional.
The interaction between the staff and the patients was quite sort of reassuring to people who find probably dental work a little bit sort of stressful.
He would have a computer screen and you would be in the chair and he'd say, Chris, this is what we're doing, that is that tooth, this is here we go. So he explained the procedures and he put you at ease all the time.
And that I found was one of the most, not only was the service excellent, but the aftercare was excellent as well.
And he was completely reassuring and every step of the way he explained what was happening, how long the procedure would take to settle down.
I was able to smile again because I was very self-conscious about the plastic.
As a lady, you don't like to show your teeth if they're not nice. You try to hide. Then after the teeth were done, I was all the time showing my teeth, smiling.
And fell in love with Fethiye. It's now our town and it's our home. When we go back to Liverpool, it's our home, but we wish for this home.
When I came to see Chartai 10 years ago, he told me that he had a dream. And the dream in the future was to have a small dental hospital with other facilities. So maybe you would have a creche, maybe you would have a cafe in there, you would have more than one dental surgeon.
So for me, touch wood, no treatment yet.